Hi, my name is Aslaug. I'm a first-year International Business and Management student. The reason I wanted to study business and management in general and at Aston is because I knew that Aston was a really good business school. I've been interested in business ever since I can remember, and I wanted to do like a broad degree that would allow me to explore my options after I graduate and kind of open a lot of doors for me. I've also enjoyed a lot of my lectures. I feel like my lecturers are really engaging. A lot of them are really passionate about what they do, so they make the lectures really fun. So in Iceland we don't really have clubs and societies, we don't have campuses, and so coming here was like being in a movie. The reason I kind of chose Aston out of the universities that I had to choose from was the campus. It's very small and green, and it made me feel like home. I've enjoyed all of the clubs and societies that I've been a part of. I've competed with the dance club, and that's been amazing. The way that the lecturers kind of encourage you to do independent research and independent reading and learning has really made me more independent, and I feel like I've got the confidence I have now to kind of actually pursue what I would like to do instead of just kind of going with the flow.